Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the Zoom Workplace app for online classes. Alright, so let's begin. Start by downloading and installing the Zoom app on your computer or mobile device if you haven't already. Sign up for a Zoom account or log in if you already have one. After that, open the app and sign into your Zoom account. Next, if you are the instructor, create a new meeting by clicking on the Schedule button. Then enter the necessary details like meeting time, date, and any other required information. You can also choose to set a recording if the class is ongoing. Once you've filled in the details, click Save and share the meeting link with your students via email or through your preferred communication channel. For students, once you have the meeting link, click on it at the scheduled time to join the class. You may need to enter a passcode if it's set by the instructor. Once you're in the meeting, you can use features like video, audio, chat, and screen sharing. If the instructor shares their screen, you'll be able to see their presentation or any materials being discussed. During the class, you can interact using your microphone or chat and raise your hand if you have a question. After the class, you can leave the meeting by clicking Leave at the bottom of the Zoom window. Finally, make sure to check your audio and video settings before joining the class to ensure your microphone and camera are working properly. You can also adjust these settings during the class if necessary. This will help ensure that your online classes run smoothly on the Zoom Workplace app. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use the Zoom Workplace app for online classes. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.